belong to a place called Rewa in Madhya Pradesh, and I've done my schooling from a very small town called Bansagar, Devlund, from a Hindi medium school. And after that I joined Vanistali University, which is a very good university. It's a university for women. And I did my BTech in computer science from there, and thereafter I joined Academy, Air Force Academy, to become a pilot. When I was in stage 1 of my training, that time this provision of women into fighters came. Initially I was a bit reluctant because it's a new field, but then after talking to my instructors and other people around, I had no doubts in my mind that this is the thing where I want to go. So thereafter the journey to become a fighter pilot is very, I would say, it was a learning lesson for me, and a lot of learning values were there. And I won't say that fighter pilot is not it's about an attitude basically. And it's not that today suddenly you become a fighter pilot. It's a long journey, and every day is a new learning. Every takeoff, every landing. Once you go up in air, you learn something new. So I'm still in the training phase of becoming a fully operational pilot.
This organization, of course, it's male dominated, but they give a fair chance. They gave me a fair chance. All I had to do was prove myself. And let me assure you that Indian Air Force is a gender neutral organization. Today we are around 14-15% of us in this organization, but I can assure you that it's the performance of us people that matters, and not our gender. So if we can perform, we get the opportunity, and we have to prove it. We are the path breakers for others. We have to keep the good work going. That's what we do.
It's almost 25 years that I had been in Air Force. In the year 1993, I joined Air Force Academy as a young cadet. And after 52 weeks, that is 1 year's training, I got commissioned in June 94. And since then, it's only blue. The skin is blue, the uniform has become a second skin. It has been pretty good because I come from the background where there's nobody who was in defense services. My father was in civil services in MP Cadre. I've got an elder sister, she also is from civil services in MP Cadre. There was no embargo as far as the dreaming was concerned, and I always wanted to join service, especially the police service, because defense services were out of our regime at that time because there was no induction of the women. So when this thing came out, and I just finished my college at that time, so when I had gone, I said, okay, fine, let me just try it out. I hope I make it. It just worked.
I was absolutely delighted when I came to know that I'm posted to Leh. I called up each and every person, and the first person was my instructor, because once I was training almost 10 years back, I went to my instructor and said, sir, I want to fly ALH Me-17s and I want to get posted to Leh. He said, girl, it's a distant dream. Don't even think that you're going to change your aircraft. You're going to continue flying Chetak Cheetahs, and Leh is just beyond. So when I got this opportunity, I was absolutely delighted. I had never thought that I would be given this wonderful opportunity to fly with Siachen Pioneers. It's one of the most esteemed units of the Indian Air Force, and I would say the cream lot of the pilots, helicopter pilots, is posted to the Siachen Pioneers. And anyone who's part of Siachen Pioneers takes that pride that I'm a pioneer. Once a pioneer, always a pioneer.
Best thing about being in aviation sector, that to Indian Air Force, is when you fly an aircraft. Aircraft is a machine. It does not know that the person controlling me or the person sitting behind me is a male or a female. It will behave in a very similar way.